Hey guys, it's Molly. Ooh, almost knocked my camera over. I'm gonna do a blow dryer technique tonight, but I wanted to do a different color as the base. A lot of the videos that I'm seeing are either black or white, and if you've watched my channel, you know I like blue, so I wanted to do one with a bunch of blue tonight. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna pour a little bit more blue as my base color. And I'll put everything down in the comments. I thinned my paints out, and you guys don't need a ton of paint in this, believe me, for you to get a good reaction. So I'm gonna try to blow that way and then this way. So yeah, the more paint I found that you do in this, and I do want that white in the center. The more paint you do, the muddier the colors get. So I'm sorry I didn't have a video for a couple of days there. I hurt my back, so. All right, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna blow this way, and then I'll come across and try to blow back the other way. Okay, so I had a gold in there that I actually mixed some mica powders in, so I don't know if I really like that or not in there. And I think I might add just a little bit more white to the center. That gold kind of took over and made it kind of a brownish color. I didn't really like that. Rid of some of that. Woo. I'm sticking to my bottom here. Okay, now I'm gonna torch it and see what happens if anything else pops up. This had no silicone in it, but I am really liking the and you know what I think I'm gonna do? You guys don't hate me. I think I may pour just a little bit in the center here. And then maybe just a tiny bit more white. Like literally a tiny little bit, and then blow that out as well. Get kind of a 3D blooming effect in the middle. Okay. If you guys aren't satisfied with something, you can always go back in and just keep messing with it. It's paint, it won't bite you. I actually really like that. I like kind of the soft silhouette that was happening over on the side. I might play with this one a little bit more, this technique of using. Got a couple of things in the paint there, and I'll take you down and I'll show you. I'm really loving these lines that are over here. I wish that I'll take you down. So, let me zoom out. Let me see if I can focus here. So I really like the lines that happened over here with that little bit of silver. Those are all those cells over there. So I really like that effect. You guys let me know what you think. And stick around and I'll show you some of my dried pours. So this is one I did the other night, maybe like, I think it was over the weekend, and I really love it. I love kind of all those effects. I didn't use enamel paint, I just used regular, my regular white titanium, but I think it's just my pouring medium, the way, the consistency that I mix them. I really love that painting. It reminds me of like, I don't know, ice glaciers or something. And then I'll show you my other pour. So this was that neon pour that I did with the colander. And you can see all those effects dried great. And all those effects are still there. I'm really loving the colander pour. But anywho, all right, you guys, I might do a few more of these blue base coat blow dryer pours. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. See you later. Happy painting. Bye.